long it's just been a mess, but the only thing I can really say is the RX-7 FC is back. Alright guys, another morning. FC's getting warmed up right now. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm about to go meet up with some homies. I'm gonna go meet up with Thad and Chris. There's some real cool homies that I know. And I'm gonna go hang out with them for the day. Maybe I'll record some cool stuff. I think they wanna go hit the toge. So I'm personally not gonna be driving because that thing needs braking miles, but I am going to probably sit passenger with one of them and maybe record something cool. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be driving this thing over to there. It's gonna take me about half an hour. So once I get there, I'll see if I can record anything cool. Peace. Oh my God, is that Chris? I watch your YouTube videos.
What's up? I may have gotten a bit of a late start.
It's all good.
But I think Dad just texted me. He said he's gonna be on the way.
Oh my God, Dad! I watch your YouTube channel!
Camera up.
You know, he's popular.
A Saturday.
Careful, SpongeBob!
You go ahead and be cracking up on that. I did that.
That's just so...
Oh!
Too bad.
Yeah. Now we'll have to see.
Ooh, yummy, murky.
Alright guys, just left hanging out with Thad and Chris, and I'm gonna go meet up with a couple other homies. I'm gonna go meet up with Vic and Noel for now. I don't know what we're doing, but it's just one of those weekends where kind of just have nothing to do and just chilling. I do have to have braking miles on the FC, so it gives me that. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I reach Vic's place.